Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Yobit, one of the most versatile cryptocurrency trading platforms available today. Yobit offers a user-friendly environment for both beginners and seasoned traders. Upon landing on the homepage, you'll notice a clean and intuitive layout. The top navigation bar gives you quick access to various features such as market trading, wallet balances, and promotions. After registering and signing in, you'll find your dashboard. This central hub displays your account balance, market trends, and key tools for trading. Yobit supports an extensive range of cryptocurrencies, from popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. You can easily deposit funds into your wallet by navigating to the Wallet section, where the platform supports fiat deposits and crypto transfers. The trading interface is simple yet effective. You'll find a live order book, a candlestick chart for market analysis, and instant trading options. Yobit's Invest Box feature is a standout, allowing you to stake coins for passive rewards. For those who enjoy games, Yobit offers dice and other interactive tools, adding a unique twist to the trading experience. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To access these features, simply select the corresponding tabs on the platform. Yobit's seamless navigation ensures that even new users can get started quickly. Don't forget to explore promotions and bonuses available for first-time signups through the provided link. Take full advantage of Yobit's robust trading environment today. Smash that subscribe button and like this video for more insightful content.